Affiliate marketing is still one of the best ways to make money online in 2025, but not all affiliate networks are created equal. In this video, I'm breaking down the 5 best affiliate networks you should be using this year. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these platforms offer top commissions, reliable payments, and massive product variety. Number 1. Impact. First up is Impact. This platform has quickly become a favorite among affiliate marketers because of its huge list of premium brands. From finance to fashion to SaaS, Impact lets you partner with big names like Adidas, Canva, and even Uber. The dashboard is sleek, reporting is advanced, and tracking is super reliable. If you're serious about scaling, Impact is a must-have in your affiliate toolkit. Number 2. ShareASale. Next is ShareASale, a veteran in the affiliate marketing space. It's part of the Awin network and has over 20 years of credibility. What's great about ShareASale is the sheer variety of merchants, perfect if you run multiple niche sites. It also has real-time reporting and fast payments, plus it's beginner-friendly with an easy approval process for most programs. Number 3. PartnerStack. Third on the list is PartnerStack, the go-to network for SaaS affiliates. If you're promoting software products or B2B tools, this platform is gold. Top brands like Monday.com, FreshBooks, and Notion use PartnerStack. The recurring commissions are a huge win, especially if you're into long-term passive income. Number 4. ClickBank. At number 4, we've got ClickBank, a classic. It's mostly known for digital products, think courses, ebooks, and health supplements. The commissions are often extremely high, sometimes up to 75%, and there's no approval process for most offers, which is great for beginners. One word of caution: stick to high-quality products. ClickBank can be a bit of a mixed bag. Number 5. Amazon Associates. And finally, the old reliable Amazon Associates. While the commission rates are lower than others on this list, the conversion rate is unbeatable. Everyone trusts Amazon, and you get credit for anything someone buys after clicking your link. Perfect for review blogs, YouTube product videos, and gift guides. So there you have it, the 5 best affiliate networks to use in 2025. Let me know in the comments which ones you're using, or if you have a hidden gem to share. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more tips on affiliate marketing, side hustles, and making money online. Thanks for watching.